South Africa's first power plants were commissioned in the late 1800s to support mining activities. Over the last century, a large fleet of power plants were built and has contributed to South Africa's economic development. With the looming reality of climate change, there is an urgency for the global energy sector to move toward environmentally sustainable technologies. For countries like South Africa, largely dependent on coal, the transition to intermittent renewable energy sources brings about new challenges. Engineers working in the sector are going to need to cope with increased pressure. Coal-fired plants will experience resource constraints and be forced to operate in adverse conditions, which contribute to increased plant failures. Renewable energy technologies such as concentrated solar power and biomass will need to be developed. Existing industries utilizing thermal processes will be required to adopt innovations that ensure plants operate efficiently and cost-effectively. A new generation of engineers is needed to tackle these challenges. The University of Cape Town is well placed to contribute to this as one of the top-ranked universities on the African continent. The Department of Mechanical Engineering, which celebrated its centenary in 2019, has been consistently producing high-quality graduates and research to support local and international industries. Within the department, the APROM Research Unit and Center for Materials Engineering have specialized capabilities to service the power industry. Through a capacity development program with Eskom, these groups form part of the consortium of universities in the Eskom Power Plant Engineering Institute. This industry-academia collaboration has enabled the development of specialized skills in power plant process modeling, component modeling, material characterization, and artificial intelligence. The Postgraduate Diploma in Power Plant Engineering has been developed with inputs from internationally renowned academics, utilities, and original equipment manufacturers. Students need to complete 8 courses which can be taken over 2 years. The program is aimed at working professionals interested in doing part-time studies. To minimize time away from work, students only need to physically attend 4 block weeks of teaching per year. The remainder of the teaching is done via correspondence through our learner management system, Vula. So, why should you consider this program? If you are an individual working or interested in power plants, this program will provide you with the necessary skills to launch your career. As an employer in the power plant operations, a program such as this will advance your workforce to make better decisions, improving your bottom line. The course content provides students with the skills for selecting technologies based on environmental, technical, and economic considerations through understanding the component's operating envelope. Graduates will be able to effectively propose, develop, procure, and execute modifications and lead teams to take on these challenges. These topics and others are covered in 5 compulsory modules. Students are then allowed the freedom to select 3 electives from UCT or several partner universities supporting this program. This enables students to expand their horizon in the rapidly changing energy landscape. The entrance requirement for the Postgraduate Diploma is a Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Technology degree in engineering with adequate marks or demonstrated working knowledge in thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. Courses start with ensuring students are familiarized with the fundamentals. The content then rapidly requires students to develop the specialized skills to effectively understand the multiple facets of the power plant operation. This program can be used as a springboard for you or your employees to advance their careers, improve productivity, and make a substantial impact in the industry. Take the next step and shape the future of the energy sector.